Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to transfer BNB from your Tangem wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Why do this? Well, Phantom Wallet offers great features for Solana and other chains, and transferring BNB can help you diversify your assets quickly. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and updated to the latest 2025 versions. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your mobile device. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your BNB balance and tap on it to access the send or transfer option. It's usually right there on the main screen for easy access. Next, enter the recipient address. Head over to your Phantom wallet, go to the Settings or Wallet Address section, and copy your Phantom wallet address. Don't worry, it's a long string, but just paste it carefully into the Tangem wallet's recipient field. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, specify the amount of BNB you want to send. Enter the exact figure, and if you're feeling cautious, start with a small test amount. You'll see a transaction fee estimate, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button and approve the transaction using your Tangem wallet's security features like biometric authentication. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, but it can take a few minutes depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, open your Phantom wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your BNB there. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets to keep your assets safe. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for Tangem and Phantom. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Let's keep learning together. See you next time.